In this video, I will guide you how you can get Discord Nitro for free. So in order to get your Discord Nitro for completely free is not entirely possible, but you can get a 1 month free trial on your particular Nitro. So you just need to click on Nitro. If you are on desktop, simply go to the Discord Nitro section and you will land on a page like this. Now, if you are lucky enough, you will see the option of Nitro for 1 month free trial. This is what you need to go for. Now, this will going to be in the pink one, so you just need to click on it and simply go with the free trial. Now, as of now, my Discord doesn't have it as I have already used the free trial on my credit card. So if you haven't purchased the Discord Nitro ever in your Discord account, you might have a chance to be getting the 1 month free trial. Now, as I said, you cannot get it free for your lifetime, but it is better than nothing. So that's the way of how you can get Discord Nitro for free.